Cheers! I'm Stuti and I welcome you all to my channel Cheer Mantra. As I already mentioned while I was doing the review of the trailer of Cursed, I will be reviewing this season of Cursed as well. So here I am with in detail review of first season of Cursed. So stay tuned. So guys, if you've seen my Cursed trailer review video, you probably know that I was really very intrigued and excited about viewing this series because of the several reasons. As you know, I love fantasy and it's a fantasy drama because of the Frank Miller's involvement and the cast that intrigued me into this trailer. By the way, if you have not watched my video of trailer review and you wish to, here's the link on the top of the screen. You can click there and watch that video if you wish to. However, before telling you my personal opinion about the series, I will be summarizing the story without giving any spoilers, and all the information I will give, it is somewhere given in the trailer itself, and it will help you to understand the series better and make up your mind whether you want to go to watch the series or not. So basically there are three kind of groups, I would say, has been shown in this series. First are the Fae people. These are the people who have a little bit of magical powers, you can say, but they are very good-hearted and simple people. And second group is of rulers and kings who rule the kingdom, and in their kingdom there are different villages for humans as well as Fae people. The third group is Red Palladians. These are the people you must have seen in the trailer, are dressed in red robes, and these groups are backed by church, and their whole and sole purpose is to kill and remove all Fae people from the world so that humans can claim their right on earth. Catherine Langford character's name in the series is Nemue, and she belongs to Fae people. She has some magical powers as well. So when Red Palladians attack her village and destroy it completely, her dying mother passes a magical sword to her and asks her to deliver it to person named Merlin. So अब जैसा आपको लग रहा है बिल्कुल वैसा ही होता है. It is a journey of her, how she delivered this sword to the person named Merlin and her adventures in between. और ये जो मैंने तीन ग्रुप्स बताए, इनके बीच में कुछ तो चलता रहता है, लाइक बैक स्टैबिंग, अलायंसेस, पॉलिटिक्स. सो ये सब आपको देखने को मिलेगा इस सीरीज में. Also, there are some characters very mysterious and drag you immediately. Like there's a character Weeping Monk played by Daniel Sherman, and there's also a character The Widow. These two are very mysterious characters, and I personally liked watching them. And sword fighting by Daniel Sherman as Weeping Monk is good. It's quite good. Along with Daniel Sherman as Weeping Monk, there's one more male character, Merlin. Except these two characters, there is no male character in the series that has been portrayed very strong. Every male character is quite weak, and I didn't like it personally. Also, the biggest disappointment for this series is Catherine Langford herself, as she fails to establish the connect with her audience. I mean to say that when she is suffering, you will not feel the pain. When she is doing something really great, you will not feel the excitement with her. So I will not say it is a very impactful performance. Also, one thing that disappointed me very largely, that there was no character arc development in her character as it's supposed to be, because in starting you see her as a kid and immature with sword and don't know how to fight, but as series progresses you still don't see her as a fighter. She still don't know how to handle the sword and take decisions. So this was really upsetting, because I wanted to see her character arc developing, that from kid how she able to manage with sword, and how she handles the sword fights and everything. I wanted to see her swordmanship as well. In initial episodes of the series, the story is dragged up and it is very hard to keep you motivated to complete the series. However, production design, set, costuming, props, and scenery is good and remind you somewhere of Game of Thrones for sure. The series have 10 episodes, each of 1 hour long, so you decide yourself that whether you want to invest your valuable time in the series or not. For Arabic audience, the audio is available in English and subtitles are available in English and Arabic. And for Indian audience, the audio is available in English as well as Hindi with subtitles English. So in my view, if you are a die-hard fan of Game of Thrones or even The Witcher, this series is going to disappoint you. But in lazy afternoon, if you want just a time pass, you can give it a shot. So guys, this was my review for the first season of Cursed, and please comment how you like my review and give your suggestions. Also, I would like to know your views on the series, as I like to read it and know my wavelength matches to you all or not. And like and subscribe my channel for more such reviews and updates. Cheers!